Hello guys, this is Straight the VIX, where I share my volatility strategy and other content about volatility market, the derivative pairs. So I just missed a buy opportunity. I just checked my MetaTrader 5 and I missed an opportunity. I just saw my setup, so I decided to share just for educational purpose. I just want to share the strategy. But before then, please, I want you to help your boy subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop any video, you'll be the first to notify. Alright, thank you. Let's move straight to the lesson. Okay, I use mostly 1 hour time frame, and sometimes I also use 15 minutes time frame. So, but this is what I look after. I have a pattern which I look after before taking my buy or sell decision. Let me try to show you first before we move into the charts. I would like to draw it first. Okay, let's say for instance the market is on a downtrend. Sorry, I didn't mention earlier, the strategy is a pullback strategy, is a retracement. I'm looking forward to see where the market will turn back. So let me say the market is on a downtrend. This is a pullback, a little retracement. The market still break the structure down, retrace, move back, and then let me say from this level, then the market retrace back again and take out the previous retracement. I'll be looking forward to see that this next move is not going to take out, is not going to break this structure downward. I will be looking to see a fail. Then I'll be looking again to see another second break towards the upside. This is it. Then I'll be looking for my opportunity here. I'm coming. I'll be finding my order block under this level to look for a buy. So look at it. This is a downtrend that is healthy. The markets move downward, move up, move downward. Then this move now break this level here, break the structure here. I'm looking at two levels of break of structure. Which one is here? One of the structure is broken there. Then after this one is broken, another structure again should be broken. And this move that is going to break this second structure should not take out the last move here. This is the last move here. The last move here. This is the last move here. So this leg, this move that is going to take out this structure, the second structure, should not take out this guy. Once it has taken this guy, once it has taken it down like this, then it's not valid. I am looking forward to see it like this. Before then, I'll find my order block under this place for me to be able to find my entry. So the market is going to turn back from here. Oh no, it's going to turn back from this level back to my order block and then move upwards from here down here. So let me show you on the chart quickly. Let me show you what I've what I miss. Alright, this is it. This is volatility 50 index. Now look at what is going on here. The market is on downtrend, healthy downtrend. So the market broke this structure here, break it down, move up again, retrace up, and then broke another structure here again. Then the market retrace a little bit, move downward. Now this is the first structure that was broken here, because this move here, this is another retracement, so because this red candle has taken out the high of this green candle, so this one is a retracement, is a pullback. Then the markets move downward a little bit from this level, so you see. Now then the market break number one structure, it break number one structure to the upside and then retrace back. Now this is the level that I will be looking up to the market. Let it not take out this level, here. I'm looking up to the market to fail here. It can fail up to this level but not to break down below this level. So, and after this failure, I'll still look again upon this place to see another break of structure here. So how many levels of break? First break of structure, second break of structure. Now the market failed to break down below this last low, so the market move up and take out this level. So after taking out this level, this is where I will find my order block under this one that failed to break here. So this is my order block now. This is my order block, this green candle, because it's the highest lowest point. This is my order block. So as you can see, look at what the market did here. After taking out this level, the second level, then the market came down all the way to the order block and tap it. Look at the move upward. I'm expecting this market to reach to this level, to get to this level before moving down. I'm expecting the markets to touch this level. The market is going to enter this level. Now this little retracement you've seen here, the market is trying to fill in this imbalance that is here. After filling this imbalance, the market is going to move upward up to this level before coming back again and continue the downtrend. Hope you are not confused. So this is exactly where I supposed to enter the trade, but I didn't see it. Yes, I was busy, so I was not fortunate to catch this move.